Is the ongoing pandemic making you feel trapped in your homes? It's been a long time since we had a proper vacation, right? While we may not be able to book tickets right at the moment, we still can take the vacation the old school way. Before the prevalence of these flights, these trains, resorts, there was only one way that you could experience the beauty of a place. It was by imagining about that place and reading about that place. Basically, taking a mental vacation. So, what if rather than reading about a place, we actually read a story which is centered around that place? It would help us capture the essence of that place much better. It would give us an enriching experience. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. I'm very excited to explore this new kind of a recommendation where I've prepared an itinerary for you guys. I've selected 5 Indian destinations and I'll be recommending books which are centered around these places so you can know the place better and take a mental vacation. Do watch the video till the end. You may never know which thought or fact may resonate with you and change the course of your life. So pack your mental bags and let's go for a vacation. So the first place where we are going to take a mental vacation is a beautiful place named Dehradun in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. And for this, you can read the book A Town Called Dehra by Ruskin Bond. So this book is basically a memoir written by Ruskin Bond. He has captured his early nostalgic memories of Dehradun, where he actually wrote many of his best works. So there are a lot of stories in this book where the characters are very relatable, very loving, and Dehradun itself acts as like a character in this book. The writing of this book is very nice, very peaceful. It's like a flowing river which sweeps you along with it. And Ruskin Bond is known for his lovable style of writing. He's captured the essence of Dehradun very beautifully, and you feel like visiting there once. And therefore, if you want a light read with a nice picturesque setting, you can go for this book. So the next city which you can explore by read is a city which is also known as the Indian Silicon Valley, and I'm talking about the city Bangalore. So to explore this city, you can read the book How I Braved Anu Auntie and Co-Founded a $1 Million Company. So this is a humorous book where a bunch of people, especially Varun Agrawal, who is a young entrepreneur, he starts his company in the city of Bangalore, and how the startup ecosystem helps him and challenges him to build his own company. So the little nuances in this book are very, very refreshing to read. The street names, the clubbing culture, the people in Bangalore, the little food items in Bangalore. He has captured this in a very humorous and funny way, and you'd love the book, you'd love the Bangalore culture. I myself work in Bangalore and I could relate to this book a lot, and he has captured it very beautifully. The book is humorous and also inspirational because it basically talks about the startup ecosystem in the city of Bangalore and how new startups are able to thrive in incubators and how people are getting investments. So the book is all about that. And you can definitely read it if you want a refreshing, inspirational as well as a humorous kind of a way, but mostly read it if you want to explore the city of Bangalore. It's fun. The next vacation on our travel list is a thrilling adventure, and I'm talking about the place Jim Corbett National Park, and you can visit this place by reading the book Man Eaters of Kumaon by Jim Corbett himself. Read this book before heading out to the Jim Corbett National Park and you are bound to get goosebumps with every turn in the forest. This book shows him as nothing less than the greatest Safari Sahib who was in relentless pursuit of man-eaters. Jim Corbett figured out that certain animals turn into man-eaters due to steady disappearance of the forests for their game hunt, and hence a national park of sorts back then in order to protect the helpless villagers as well. The book explores Jim Corbett's gruesome experiences with man-eaters. There are many incidents in the book which instill fear in your heart, but at the same time Jim Corbett is also shown as a compassionate environmentalist who cares for his environment. So this book is a very adventurous and refreshing read, and it basically tells us how rich India's flora and fauna culture is. So the next vacation on our list is a vacation to the city of Calcutta, which is a beautiful city in West Bengal, and for that you could read the book Calcutta Chromosomes by the best-selling author Amitav Ghosh. This book is a bold attempt in the mystery genre. It's a medical thriller. It talks about malarias and diseases like malaria. It's about a person who is an analyst in New York City, and he's brought to Calcutta to explore a hidden mystery about some diseases. The narrative is very, very complex, like there are many underlying layers of complexity to it, and it's philosophical, it's a very bold attempt by Mr. Amitav Ghosh, but the way he has explored Calcutta is beautiful, it's breathtakingly beautiful, and other than exploring the city, you can also be engrossed in this book. You'd always be at the edge of your seat. And if you haven't read Amitav Ghosh before, it might be a difficult read for you because he has a certain style of writing. If you have read Sea of Poppies, you can understand that. But nonetheless, if you want to explore the streets of Calcutta, the essence of Calcutta, and the hidden mysteries, the dark past that Calcutta is associated with, you can definitely check this book out. It's a great read. The next place where we are going is actually a very special place, and there are a lot of books written about this place. This place is also known as the City of Dreams. It's like kitna bhi baat kar lo is jagah ke bare mein, it's never enough. A lot of exciting realities to this place. There are a lot of events that have happened at this place. It has a majestic history to it. I'm talking about the city Mumbai, and for this you can read the book Shantaram by Gregory David Roberts. This book had taken the literary world by a storm. Stay with the plot and you will understand why. It's about an escaped convict from Australia, and he lands in the city of Bombay. His life and discoveries about his friends, about his relatives, about his country, about his enemies, and the so-called Bombay Mafia are all dealt with in the plot. This book shows Mumbai as a site of struggle, but also at the same time, it captures the beauty of its people, a true inspiration and a poignant portrait of the City of Dreams. So that's all for this video, guys. I really hope you like this new format, and please let me know if you like the format. We can also try exploring many places with this format, and we can also take international rental vacations. So if you like my content, don't forget to like the video, put a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm really thankful for all the support that you have given me. Stay tuned with me and see you in the next video. Bye bye.